This is the era of India and manufacturers from India. We have seen many companies innovating and promoting their products globally. Our next guest, Rajesh Pawar from Mikro Innotech, is such an eminent personality who have taken India to the global map. Hi Rajesh ji,
Guys,
it was great meeting you here.
you,
We met last time at
yes,
IMTEX forming 2 years,
yes,
but the story of Micro Innotech have changed.
correct.
Now you are doing large projects. You are working with multinationals. So how this transformation and how this growth happened?
Actually, we earlier we were making only the small machines. So we thought that okay, now we have limited people. So with limited people, how to increase the sale? So we decided okay, then we'll go for higher range products. It's like lasers. We started more working on lasers and also the big assembly lines. So in that case, we it's very important that you should say no to the people. Unless until you say no, then only you will become bigger. It is this has happened with me. I told a lot of people that now I can make headlamp, tail lamp line only because there's reason that the cost of the line is very less and the work is too much. So I stopped working for headlamp, tail lamp, blinkers, ORVMs, clusters. We had just stopped taking the order for 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh completely. We work only now with minimum order of 1 crore. 1 crore, 1.5 crores, 2 crores. So we work on that project. So that given the same and set of people remains the same as the volume of the cost of the product has increased. So we had a good volume. So similar one, what we did earlier, we just enhance ourselves.
You see, India is also, if you see the total, the Indian manufacturing is growing. We can see yours as an example. Is what happening across India?
Yes, obviously, because uh, when we talk about the new technologies, whether it is in defense sector or it is in the aerospace sector or we can say in EV sector or power sector, this is all our upcoming sectors and we have to encash that. So in that case, now today people are investing and they are looking for opportunities and we are grabbing that opportunity as an early entrant. So that is changing.
How was your experience in IMTEX 2026?
It is great. This time I really feel happy that the way the crowd is, the way the customers are coming, discussing about their problems, what exactly is going on, and there's a shift in the industry. What I feel so today, because the now earlier days only the GM, vice president, president used to come. Now we feel that the DGM, managers, the lower engineers, executives, they are also traveling. The people are sending, the industry is sending them. Go and see the product, who is making this, who is making this, and they want to discuss how others are doing. Like, I'll give the example of battery cleaning. This is a new technology. The terminal cleaning, battery cleaning, assembly, busbar cleaning. They want to know exactly what we're doing in battery cleaning and how others are doing. So where we implemented the project, like Mahindra, we implemented Amaraja battery, Next Charge, a lot of people, Battrex, we implemented all the projects. So they want to know exactly what is happening, where it is a problem. And as they are looking for other people also like me, basically, they also getting the knowledge out of. So they want to implement the best practices in their company. And the zeal what is being shown today, I really feel that this is going to help us a lot. This IMTEX is going to help us a lot. It is totally different IMTEX. This time it is completely, we can say, technocrats are coming. And I see a great future for IMTEX as well as for India. Because the people are taking more interest. It's very important.
You were supporting assembly lines by offering many custom SPMs, we can say, for testing. So, what is the major transformational shift happening in Indian shop floors too?
I feel basically that a lot of people are looking for a new technologies, that is emerging technology, we can say in other words, but they only see on the videos and only on the, if they go outside the country, they see that yes, we also have the similar ones in India. So this way we work with a lot of companies in India which are MNC companies. So they ask us that please do visit our factory in Germany or US and you see how they are doing that. So we want to replicate the same in India. Also, you will have opportunity for a global export. So that is a big change what we feel so today. And people are supporting a lot. Indian as well as the international people. I don't know, this is happening only because of this, I can say this powerful government of Modi. It is possible because the way they are doing basically is like promoting India. And that is a good opportunity, and we grown threefold only because of that reason. Within a year, we literally grown in threefold. So that we feel that today we can achieve tenfold in next 3 years.
So
That is possible.
you are telling that one thing is the way trust of Indians have been increased
Yes.
over last 10
Over
15
period.
years.
Yes, yes,
The MNCs are coming and telling, okay, why can't you innovate this one?
yes.
And they are ready to give you more and more technological
Yes.
support also.
True, absolutely. Like NIDAC, we did one project with NIDAC basically, and with Japanese people. They are very particular, so you know that basically. In that case, they help us from designing to complete assembly and final inspection also in that. So they want to have here, sit here in factory, work with us closely with everybody. They knows everybody now, including the security person. The way the particular things they do is, I'll just give the example. Like they come at 8 o'clock sharp. Our people are coming at 8:30, but they are coming at 8 o'clock. That's a big change. And this has changed my people also. The some people are coming at 7:50 to receive them.
They don't know the exposure.
Yes, that's very important. This is a change, what I feel so. And this we are going to learn lot and lot because people are looking India as a good trusted supplier. And they want to build that. They want to build that. This is very important.
I always seen your business is one way is there, but along with business, you also to promote India, not just outside, but even in India,
Yes.
you try to bring that togetherness, India as a nation everywhere. The skill set is one of the biggest problem.
Yes.
Managing people in the shop floor is one of the biggest problem.
Yes.
What are the suggestions you are having for the industries to build
what-
good team?
Yes. Honestly speaking, we have very good relationship basically in our company. So what we did basically, we just choose about 4 or 5 colleges. Like we have with MIT, we have with Bharatiya Vidyapit, we have with P20 Budgaon Sangli. Like similar one, the college which we feel that Zeal College, it's my friend's college only. So we asked them that we want a set of people. We want 5 people from mechanical, 5 people from instrumentation, 5 people from software field, IT field, and 5 people from basically electrical basically. We just choose the people every year for internship. So we ask them that after 3rd year, 2nd semester, please ask people to visit us. See physically what is happening around, where the industry is going. You have to learn about the industry, not the academic one. It's very important. So we taught them what is happening in India and what we want as an engineer, what we are looking around for the engineer. So we just tell them, and from 4th year, their people automatically sell people to us because they just say, no, we want to work with Micro. Because there's 2 reasons. One reason is that we treat them well, we teach them well, and they get a good jobs. So that is the biggest problem. And about more than 30% girls now is looking towards Micro for a first internship. That's a good one.
Just one question. Should the industry go to the academy or academy should come to industry?
Industry should go to the academy because we need to hire the people with our skill sets. So in that case, you have to build the person first. So what I feel that 3rd year, 4th year is a good opportunity given by Maharashtra government and also the central government that they now have 6-month internships. So that is a good one. Earlier it was not there. So now you can have 1 year internship also. The people are working with us, they know us, they know everything about the industry, and they go. And we not only we just not call them only as an intern basically, but we teaching them everything, since from design, ERP, plus we have mechanical whatever assemblies, shop floor, everything they work on that. Stores, managing stores, including accounts. How it works, how it is work. Because we are looking, Micro is a company where we are looking for building the entrepreneurs, not engineers. We feel that future, 5 years, 10 years experience, 20 years, they should become entrepreneurs and give the job to the people. That is our intention most out of it.
We are witnessing a lot of new sunrise industries, be it aerospace, defense, energy, EV. What are the opportunities India is having in these emerging sectors?
This sector is upcoming, and also it is good for India as well as for the world, because aerospace, if you find a home for building the components here and assembling in India, so that will be really a good on the price front. Very important, because we have a very good labor, skill set is good, prices are very down, and including the material cost. And the government is supporting a lot for this sector. EV sector also, battery sector also, we are coming up with this thing. So in this case, it is very important that we have more and more people looking towards this aerospace sector and defense sector.
And I also have seen that you have supported many EV,
Yes,
especially battery
assembly
assemblies.
lines, motor assembly lines. We are the only people who had made complete assembly line for motors. So NIDAC is a Japanese. I told you that NIDAC is, we work with NIDAC. So that is a good one. And now we feel that it is the great opportunity for us for the future, because already we have a brand name NIDAC with us. So that is going to make a huge impact on.
It was great talking
Yes.
to you. You
Thank
given
you.
time during this so much of your busy time in this stall. We wish you all the very best.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Yes.